So, how do you grow your business from joining a group, a WhatsApp group, a Facebook group, a LinkedIn group? How do you do that? Hi, I'm Sandras Phiri. I'm the CEO and founder of Startup Circles. So, a lot of people join groups and they want to grow their business, right? It's like networking. And they get into a group and then they post this stuff. Post, join this, do this, DM me, look at my business, sign up for this. And then they get nothing. Or sometimes they get kicked out, right? Why is that a problem? Like, why doesn't that work? The best way to think about it would be think about it in terms of you are going to somebody's house or somebody's party, right? So a WhatsApp group is like somebody's house, somebody's party. When you go to somebody's party, somebody's house, when you get there, you introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Steve Waters. And people go, oh, hi, welcome, welcome. That's it. Then you listen to the conversation that's going on. Then you start adding value. If somebody asks a question like, I'm wondering, how do I do this? Or where can I find this? You say, oh, you can find this here and there. The people listen like, oh, thank you. This person is useful. And then also, if you got something cool that you want to share, you say, hey, by the way, have you seen this? There's a good place that you can get this and that from. And people again like, oh, wow, thank you. Then you keep adding value, helping out at a party or in somebody's house where there are a lot of people. From there, people say, oh, you're useful or you're cool. And then say, what's your name, right? And then if you say, oh, by the way, I'm having a party at my house. And then everybody will say, or most of the people will say, yes, we want to come over, we want to come over. And then also they start asking you, you seem to know a lot about this. What do you do? I've got a few questions. And you can say, okay, let's step aside, let's talk about this. Then you engage in a one-on-one conversation. So when you get into a WhatsApp group and you ask people like, hi, I am doing this, buy my stuff, DM me. It's like, hey, here are my flyers, buy my stuff. Let's meet outside. When you're asking people just in somebody's house, like, let's meet outside, you're being creepy. Okay. So asking people in a group, just like DM me. It's like, let's meet outside. You don't do that. You add value. And then people want to know you and they want to see what you do. And even when you do that, invite them now to your link, to your page, to your website, somewhere where they trust. You can't be like, no, just come here, you will see where I live. Like, where do you live? So when you post links that are shortened, the links that don't say anything or just WhatsApp me, it's like saying, just follow me, I will drop the pin. Like, where is that? Okay? People want to know where they're going. So dropping a pin or giving an address, that's the difference. Dropping a pin is like, we can't see what the address is, but somehow we'll get there. Putting your address there is people would know to say, oh, this is where I'm going, this is a place. So when you're putting your address to say, by the way, I am hosting a party. So in this case, as a business, you say, by the way, this is what I do for a living and this is what I'm offering. You can visit my website or my Facebook page or my Instagram or my LinkedIn or whatever. Then people get to know you and they trust a lot more. Some of you would have noticed that when you post something in a group, you see like number of people have seen it and nobody has taken any action. It's because you're not trusted yet. You need to gain trust. And to gain trust, be helpful, be useful, offer value. Everybody in the group wants to make money. Everybody in the group wants to sell something. You're not the only one who wants to grow your business. You're not the only one that wants to sell something. Everybody does. Everybody wants to do that. So show value. So give, then take. Okay? Or give, then ask. That way people are more likely to buy your stuff or to check it out. That's how you grow your business from networking, joining a WhatsApp group, a Facebook group, Telegram group, or a LinkedIn group. That's how you do that. And if you like this, please share it with everybody else who needs to learn how to grow their business from joining groups.